We've dropped in to see John from Micron Subcon. Now, they've got an absolutely fantastic machine shop, turning, milling, grinding. What we're going to do, though, is showcase their Matsuura machine. First of all, John, what is the machine?
It's a Matsuura H Plus 300. We've got 5 pallets, 15,000 spindle, 120 tools.
Showing off there a bit.
No, it's a good piece of kit. Yeah. Keeps us busy.
But anybody who knows Matsuura, they are premium machines, aren't they?
They are, yeah.
And what I'd like to do, though, is obviously you're a subcontract engineer. Just talk me through what you'll make on here and what people can expect to get from you guys.
We do a bit of everything, really. It's mainly motorsport stuff we get on this machine. A little bit of aerospace, and then just your normal odd jobs here and there.
Yeah. So basically, there's no limit to what you can do in terms of industries, though, really.
No, not at all. No, we'll take on anything.
Okay. Now, I want to cover off as well. 5 pallets, I'm assuming 1 pallet in there machining, 4 here, 1 being loaded, 3 sitting there that are loaded.
That's right, yeah. I mean, the beauty is you've got one running, you can be setting one up for the next job, ready, you've got no downtime, machine's still running, so yeah.
So, very efficient in terms of pricing, cost effective, I'm assuming.
It is, yeah, very much so. I mean, we can 24-hour machine, with a 12-hour shift, so yeah.
So again, keep being extremely efficient and cost effective. But also here you've got the Microloc Workholding system, which, how does that help you?
Massively, to be honest with you. We've got repeatability. It's flexible. We can quickly change over jobs. Yeah.
Okay, and obviously sponsoring you because they've given you one of their T-shirts when you obviously bought these systems. But what I'd like to do then is really, I mean, you've got a job set up here. Talk me through very briefly what's occurring.
Basically, this is a 2-operation job. This is the first stop. We've got 8 billets on there. The first stop, as you can see, it profiles, it goes round to the side, it puts a bore in the edge. It's only one edge, so we've got this side, they're mirrored. It does all the boring, it puts a slot in, a face groove, drills the holes, ready for the second op.
Nice and simple. And then second op, we've got here's one you prepared earlier.
Second op, again, 8 at a time. They literally, it will go on like that, and it will just profile over the top to get the finished face.
So you said about the capabilities of the machine in terms of you've got your 5 pallets, so you've got your tombstone on there, 4 faces, so with my basic maths, 20 faces?
It is, yep, 20 faces.
And you mentioned 15,000 spindle speed, 120 tools, 3-axis machine?
4-axis machine.
Okay, so as you just showcased there, some really complex parts. Another one, while you're around the back there, I'll grab this because it's quite an interesting part, if you could talk me through this.
Yep, this is another 2-op part. Basically, we hold it that way on here. We'll have 4 at a time on this job. It will do it complete, it will profile, do the pockets, do the holes, do the detail in here, and then we turn it around in some soft jaws, just face the back off.
Make it sound very simple, John, but again, Microloc, easy to change, keeping those cycle times down, I'm presuming.
It is, yeah, very flexible it is. It saves us a lot of time.
Now, next question then, are you looking for big batch runs on this?
Any, really. We do a mixture of big batches which are running continuously, and we also do, you'll get 5 offs, 10 offs. Yeah. Normally they lead to big batches, but it's not an issue, 5 or 10 offs.
I'm assuming this machine's great for your regular 5 or 10 offs sort of once a week, once a month, because then load it up with all those different jobs.
That's it is, absolutely. I mean, we can leave a face set up if it's a job that repeats regularly. Then we can leave a face set up ready for it, just load the billets, put the program in, and away we go.
Okay. Now, you mentioned this is an automotive part, but you'll cover any industry, just to confirm that?
Yeah, any industries we do. It's mainly automotive at the moment. We've done some aerospace, and then your normal subbies.
Okay. And I'm assuming this is aluminium, but any material on this machine?
Yeah, we regularly machine aluminium and EN24T, so anything.
Anything in between?
Anything in between.
John, great showcase of Micron Subcon about the Matsuura machine, which is obviously keeping efficiency really high, costs down and making you productive. Thank you very much.